In the heart of the forest, a majestic beast and a tiny creature form an unexpected bond. Trapped and helpless, the lion calls out for aid in the depths of the forest. A brave soul rushes to the lion's aid, unaware of the impending danger lurking nearby. A shadow looms in the forest, threatening to shatter the newfound camaraderie between the unlikely friends. Alone in the face of danger, the lion prepares to confront the impending threat head-on. A dark figure returns with a vengeance, challenging the friendship and resilience of the unlikely duo. With a thunderous roar, the lion defends his newfound ally, rallying them for the impending showdown. In a symphony of teamwork, the friends unite to outsmart their adversary and defy the odds stacked against them. Victorious and inseparable, the companions celebrate their triumph, basking in the warmth of unity and camaraderie.